It's Thursday afternoon, and I've got a giveaway box that I've won that I'm going to open. I won this from Instagram. Excuse me. And the account was Lauren_loves_XX. This is her Instagram page. I'll link it down below and on the screen. But I won a giveaway, and it was a mystery theme box, and I won on the 26th of March, and she's sent it out to me, so I'm super excited. I've no idea what's in it, but as soon as I'm cutting it open, it smells amazing. Oh, it smells good. It smells good. Right, so this is the box. It's a big box. That the first thing I've got is a little To Lucy, thank you so much for entering my giveaway. I hope you like my mystery box theme, which I can now reveal is spirit animal. Lots of love, Lauren. So I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited. That was a really good face. So there's lots of wormies, as Michelle calls them. I'm gonna put them there. Oh my goodness, this is jam-packed. Oh my god, the first thing I've pulled out, look at this, is a key ring. This is so cool. Ben's gonna fucking hate this. I'm gonna put this on my car keys, which are also Ben's car keys, but this is happening. He already says I've got too much stuff on my keys, but that is going right on there. That is so cute. I love that. Amazing. We've got some tweezers. Oh my god, how cute are these? Look at that. They are so cute. A little panda and a little rabbit. I need tweezers. My eyebrows are just atrocious at the moment. What are you? It's a revolution egg, and it's one that I haven't got. Ooh! What are you? This is the unicorn egg. Something in this box that smells amazing. I don't know what it is. Oh, look at these little candles. Strawberry and lime. Look at these candles. I love candles. Some flingos and a palm tree. Are you what smells good? Yeah, I think that's what I can smell. Yeah, strawberry and lime. They smell amazing. I don't know if I'm going to burn them or if I'm just going to keep them, because they are super cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What are you? Soap and Glory Super Cat Carbon Black Extreme Eyeliner Pen. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that's some fancy packaging there. Ooh, that looks nice. Can't wait to give that a go. I'm always on the lookout for eyeliner pens because I'm so rubbish at it that anything that's going to make it easier I'm happy with. It's a tart brush. I think Michelle's got one of these. Michelle, is this the one that you've got? I think this is like a foundation brush that Michelle's got. Ooh, that feels nice. Ooh, that feels nice. Oh, can't wait to use that. I love it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. There's so much in here. What are you? Dragon heart. Oh, it's a highlighter. Oh, it's like, I've got one of these, but I've got the Goddess of Faith one. That's what I wear like all the time. But this is a dragon one. Oh, let's get this bitch open. Let's get this bitch open. These scissors are just far too big for this job. Far too big. And my dressmaking scissors. Not that I make dresses, but I've just got them. Let's get this open. I love the packaging on these. Look, it's so cool. Oh, good God, look at that. That is so pretty. I can't wait to test that. That is amazing. Yes. What are you? No drama, llama. Oh, it's a little manicure set. That's so cute. That is so cute. I love that. That is from, that's Primark. How cool is that? I love llamas. As you can see, I love llamas. I've got some face masks. We've got the Hollow and Grow Warming Face Mask, Feeling Fine. And we've got the Barefaced Charcoal Mask. I love face masks so much. I love the theme of this box. It's so clever. So clever. I'm rubbish at anything like that, but this is just awesome. What are you in here? What are you in here? Oh, nail varnishes. Oh, Under the Sea. Barry M nail paint. Like a holographic kind of purpley colour. Oh, we've got a NYX pigment in Peacock. You are so clever with this theme. And then we've got a Rouge edition. Who are you by? Bourgeois. And this is called Flamingo. Look, every single thing has got an animal name. That's so clever. That looks so pretty. Oh, it is. Ooh. Oh, it is. It's a lovely summer colour. And then the final thing in here. Oh my goodness. New favourite mug. New favourite mug. Like a Boss. With a little Boston Terrier on it. That is so flanging sweet. I love that. I'm going to go and make a cup of coffee in that now. Look at him with his little tie on. That was the most amazing giveaway. Thank you so much. I'm like so happy I entered because that's amazing. Like, amazeballs. I cannot wait to test. I'm just going to have to open this now just to see. Oh, I've got my other ones. My other dragon eggs are up there. Not that you can see them, but they are. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Get open. Oh, it's pretty. That is so pretty. I'm not going to play with it now. I'm gonna do a video on it. I'm not going to play with it now. Thank you so much, Lauren. That is so lovely of you. Yeah, there's literally, like, this is amazing. I'm so excited. I'm just going to rub my face with this all day. This was lovely. It's all amazing. I'm going to put this on my keys and I'll update you as to what Ben says or how long it takes him to notice, because we've got like one set of car keys that is the ones that I use that I've got all my stuff on, which also got my house keys on, and then we've got like a spare key that nobody uses. I'm going to put this on the big ones that he uses, and we'll see how long it takes him to notice that it's on there. But that is so cute. I love that. Thank you so much. That was amazing. And it does go to show, enter all these giveaways on Instagram, girls. Find good accounts to follow, and there you go. I'll link Lauren and her Instagram account. Head on over and show her some love. Yeah, I'm gonna paint my nails. I just chucked my nails last night. Look, I broke this one by mistake. Look at that nail. It's so sore. It was so long and now it's so little and sore. And then I'm rubbish. I literally can't give myself a manicure. I had red on, that's why they're all stained. I just can't file my own nails at all. That makes me feel sick. So now they're all just knackered. But I think I'm gonna paint them with this because holographic stuff makes everything better. So, oh, that's called jellyfish as well. I didn't even realise that was called jellyfish. Amazing. Right, I'm going to make a cup of coffee in my new mug. You're going to see this on Instagram before you see it on here. So, watch out for it.